Here's our recent trade-in Tuesday. Looking at our 2020 pre-owned Jeep Gladiator Sport S model. It's got a Mopar upgraded suspension, lift, upgraded tires and wheels. Is a rare find. Extremely low miles, 7,000 miles. Take a look inside. You got that beige interior, all brand new, redesigned for Jeep. Big screen with the backup camera, power windows, power door locks, four-wheel drive, charging port down below, cruise control. Excellent condition vehicle. Tow package. Really nice size pickup bed. Lots of upgrades. Let me know if you have any questions. Here at Arrowhead BMW, now for sale. Just brought up front today.